Yeah, I mean, you didn't think we were putting a bell tower in, did you?
No. Wow. This is amazing.
We came to Ocean Grove to do what we could to rescue Sam, but really, it's about the entire Jarmer family. And not only did Sam suffer a life-altering injury, his father Scott had a heart attack, all while we are living through a pandemic. If anyone needs to come home and deserves to come home after a long year, it is them.
Victorian homes are notoriously small, a nightmare because there's no handicap accessibility really. There's 2 floors.
The biggest issue here was accessibility. So how do we bring Sam back home is our main problem that we have to solve. The only way we were able to get him in here, ramps wouldn't do it. He didn't have access for the stairs or a stair lift, so an elevator was really our only option.
These are the days I live for on the rescue. The guys from Crown are here installing the elevator. And, ooh, look at that. The inside of the elevator, it's beautiful. I mean, talk about like high class.
It's so easy to get into. It's so great.
Thank you.
So being able to go from floor to floor, it's probably the best feature. It really opens up the possibilities of like where I can go and what I can do.